I am fascinated by the idea of drawing. To draw, to pull, to tug at something. Since my encounter with Uli script writing and South African cave drawings, I've always sought to push the boundaries of what drawing can be. What does it mean to draw? Stretching the boundaries of its meaning, expanding the notion and freeing it from the confines of two-dimensionality. Also, rethinking two-dimension, what it means as it relates to drawing. This, in varied forms, have been the quest central to my practice as an artist. I have pulled needle and thread through fabric, used the cut of scissors as line, stitched with sewing machine, and drawn the spaces in between line, felt and molded clay with my hands to form the contours of a body, and asked the question, must line be something you can see? Can line be a leaf falling from a tree? Or walk? Can it be a journey? Can it also be the experiences within that journey? Must drawing be visible to the naked eye? One thing to always remember about drawing is that it is seminal. It marks the beginning of something, and like a stem cell, drawing can become anything. Drawing places a mark. It records time, space, distance, and movement. About the work in pushing paper. The drawing in pushing paper was conceived as a suite of drawings for the Paris Triennale, Intense Proximity, curated by Okwe Nwezo in 2012. It is a configuration of Uli script writing from southeastern Nigeria, the biomorphic shapes of Nok terracotta sculpture and Bamana Boli figures from Mali, traditional hand-drawn Disney animation, surrealism, and a touch of kawaii.